All right, this is called the topic sentence, answering the question clearly, adequately, and concisely. So let's recall the goal of an argumentative paragraph, or the goals. Make a claim, clearly, adequately, concisely answers the whole prompt, show that the claim is true. So that first goal is the topic sentence. So the topic sentence is a claim. What's a claim? A claim is a statement that something is true. The origin of the word comes from Latin, meaning to call out. You're calling out that something is true. You're also owning a statement that something is true. This is what I'm writing about. The truth of this claim is what I am going to write about. And here's the claim. So we're going to put the topic sentence first, just to simplify things. It can go elsewhere in the paragraph. For all of our argumentative paragraphs this year, we're putting the topic sentence first. It's just so much simpler, so much easier. You can learn how to put it somewhere else in future years after you master this way. So the topic sentence goal. Answer the whole prompt clearly, adequately, and concisely with a claim. What does clearly mean? It means the reader doesn't have to guess or struggle to understand what you mean and what your position is. Adequately means the claim that you make in your topic sentence should actually be the claim that you argue with evidence later in your paragraph. Sometimes the claim and the evidence and analysis don't match up, they're not adequate to each other. And concisely means your claim is only as wordy as it needs to be. Some kids try to actually argue their whole paragraph in their claim, and it just gets too long and wordy and difficult to understand and follow. So answering the whole prompt. So let's say the prompt was just really basic and easy, not something you would write a formal paragraph on, but just for the sake of things. What was your favorite activity this summer and why? That's the prompt. So here's a topic sentence claim that answers the whole prompt. My favorite activity this summer was swimming in our pool because it was safe, good exercise, and fun. So notice it answers both parts of the prompt. What was your favorite activity and why? There's 3 reasons why, and the activity is made clear. Does not answer the whole prompt. My favorite activity this summer was hiking. It answers the first part, but not the why. This is also does not answer the whole prompt. I had a tough summer because I missed hanging out with my friends. So you get the sense that hanging out with friends would have been the best activity, but favorite activity, but because the kid couldn't do it, it wasn't. But we don't know what the favorite activity of this past summer actually was. And you'd be shocked to realize the number of times that kids don't answer the whole prompt in their topic sentence in 8th grade. So the key is, as the topics get hard, this one's fairly easy, that you don't just, because you don't know why, when you write your topic sentence, you just leave that part out. You don't have a because, blah, blah, blah. If you might not have that at the beginning, after you do your work and think through your paragraph, you have to go change your topic sentence to actually include that. So first goal, do you actually answer the whole prompt? So answering the prompt clearly. What was your favorite activity this summer and why? So that same thing, the clear answer. Swimming in our pool, safe, good exercise, fun. Very clear. There's no doubt about what is meant. Does not answer the prompt clearly. My family always spends the summer in Colorado. So is that the activity? Are there other activities? Like, why did you do it this summer too? Like, it's not really clear. It doesn't clearly answer the question, though we kind of have an idea about the answer, but we don't really understand the answer. I have always enjoyed playing golf since my father gave me clubs on my 6th birthday. So also we've got an idea. It was playing golf the favorite activity? Maybe. It seems like maybe it was, but it doesn't say that, and it doesn't say why. So not a clear answer. So one of those is clear and 2 of them aren't. Answering the prompt adequately. Uh, and so, again, same prompt, same good answer, the adequacy. This one's tougher because it's about the relationship of the evidence to the claim. But my favorite activity this summer was swimming in our pool because I really like swimming. Um, that you know that is already kind of a screwed up answer because it's self-reflexive. It doesn't tell us why you really like swimming. um, but in general, you can't it would be tough in this sort of format to show all the different ways that a prompt that excuse me that a claim topic sentence claim could be inadequate. That's where, again, there's not congruence between the claim and the actual evidence and argument in the actual paragraph. And so you have to make sure that your claim is what you argue in your paragraph. Answering the prompt concisely. So again, the one we've been working with, my favorite activity this summer was swimming in our pool because it was safe, good exercise, and fun with my family. uh, that's concise, right? There's not a lot of extra words you could take out there. How about this one? My family loves using our pool in our backyard every summer because it is a tradition we all love, and the virus made it so we needed to stay home most of the time. So, does that get at conveying the meaning of a claim that you could argue in a paragraph? Like, yeah, it does. Is it clear? No. Is it concise? Definitely not, right? The wording is there's just too verbose. The phrases and clauses are a bit cumbersome and too long, and that could use some editing.
So, takeaways. You should be able to recall what the goals of an argumentative essay are, recall what a claim is, recall where the topic sentence claim goes in a paragraph for us this year, and recall all of the questions to ask yourself. If you know those questions and you actually use those questions, you're going to write a lot better by the end of the year than now.